Look for the red lanterns in any Japanese city and you'll find yourself an izakaya. Think pub, tapas bar, and living room. Dashi is the foundation of Japanese cuisine, like chicken stock to French cuisine. Strain out the kombu, or kelp, and the bonito flakes, or katsuobushi, and then it's back in the pot. Mirin and soy sauce for sweetness and some salt. A simple cornstarch and water slurry to help it thicken. You just want to add a little bit at a time to make sure it's the proper consistency. Yuzu, floral and citrusy. I bet you can find this at your local grocer. These are shimeji mushrooms, prized for their texture and meaty flavor. I like mine with honey and miso, fermented soybean paste used for soups and sauces. Yakitori is a grilling tradition, yet more proof that meat on a stick has no borders. And this is my marinade, also known as tare. A thick, sweet soy sauce. Tofu, prized for its versatility, and agedashi tofu is an izakaya staple. Duck hearts, rich, intense flavor. Japan is an island of innovation and industry. Modern cities and gleaming architecture contrast the serenity of mountainside pagodas overlooking terraced rice fields. A proud, unique history of art, literature, and music. If you've ever had a Japanese meal, you know it's all about the presentation. Kore o mite. In Japan, each of these would be on separate plates for sharing. Togarashi, 7-spice blend, including sesame and spicy hot peppers. More bonito flakes. Shiso, tastes like a dozen herbs at once.